The world of e-commerce is changing fast. Every day, new technologies and innovations are emerging, transforming the way we buy and sell products online. From small businesses to large enterprises, everyone is feeling the impact of this rapid evolution. The pace of change is relentless, and it's reshaping the entire landscape of online retail. What was once considered cutting edge is now becoming the norm, and businesses must keep up or risk being left behind. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial. In this highly competitive landscape, businesses must adapt quickly to survive and thrive. Understanding market trends and consumer behavior is more important than ever. Companies need to be agile, ready to pivot their strategies based on the latest data and insights. This means not only keeping an eye on what's happening now, but also anticipating future trends and preparing for them. That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can give businesses a significant edge. By leveraging AI, companies can gain deeper insights and make more informed decisions. AI can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, uncovering patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. This capability is transforming how businesses operate, making them more efficient and effective. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we do business online. It automates complex processes, enhances customer experiences, and drives efficiency across various operations. The potential of AI in e-commerce is limitless. From chatbots that provide instant customer service to algorithms that optimize pricing and inventory, AI is making e-commerce smarter and more responsive. It's enabling businesses to offer personalized experiences at scale, something that was previously unimaginable. It's like having a super smart assistant who can analyze huge amounts of data in the blink of an eye. This means you can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible to spot manually. Imagine being able to predict which products will be in high demand next season, or understanding the subtle shifts in consumer preferences before they become mainstream. AI makes this possible, giving businesses a strategic advantage. AI helps you understand what customers want. By analyzing customer data, AI can predict future buying behaviors and preferences, allowing you to tailor your offerings to meet their needs. This level of insight means you can create more targeted marketing campaigns, develop products that resonate with your audience, and ultimately drive more sales. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, staying one step ahead of your competitors. It finds the products that are flying off the shelves. With AI, you can optimize your inventory management, ensuring that you always have the right products in stock and reducing the risk of overstocking or stockouts. Efficient inventory management is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and maximizing profitability. AI can help you strike the perfect balance, keeping your supply chain running smoothly. And it helps you create a personalized experience for every shopper. Personalized recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns can significantly increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. When customers feel that a brand understands their needs and preferences, they are more likely to engage with it. AI enables this level of personalization by analyzing individual customer data and delivering tailored experiences. This means more sales and happier customers. When customers feel understood and valued, they are more likely to return and make repeat purchases, driving long-term growth for your business. Happy customers are also more likely to recommend your brand to others, creating a positive feedback loop that can significantly boost your market presence. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's a reality that's transforming the e-commerce landscape today. Businesses that embrace AI are better positioned to succeed in this fast-paced environment. The technology is becoming more accessible and affordable, making it possible for even small businesses to leverage its benefits. By integrating AI into their operations, companies can streamline processes, reduce costs, and enhance their overall performance. It's the key to unlocking success in the competitive world of e-commerce and dropshipping. By integrating AI into your business strategy, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve sustainable growth. AI can help you identify new opportunities, optimize your marketing efforts, and improve your customer service, all of which are essential for long-term success. In the following sections, we'll dive deep into how you can harness the power of AI for your business. We'll explore practical applications, success stories, and tips for getting started with AI in e-commerce. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this guide will provide you with the insights and tools you need to leverage AI effectively and take your business to the next level. Before you dive into the world of AI, take a step back. What are your goals? Do you want to find products with high profit margins? Are you looking for trending items that are selling like hotcakes? Clearly define your objectives. This will guide your AI tools and help you measure success. Remember, a clear goal is like a compass pointing you in the right direction. Data is the lifeblood of AI. It's what fuels the algorithms and helps them make smart decisions. Collect data from everywhere you can, your website, social media, and even your competitors. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Analyze sales data to see what's already popular. The more data you have, the smarter your AI becomes. Imagine being able to predict the future of your products. AI makes this possible. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI can forecast which products are likely to be profitable. Tools like BigML and H2O.ai use powerful algorithms to predict profit margins. They consider factors like cost of goods, shipping, and competition. This gives you a crystal ball into the future of your product line. Uncovering hidden gems niche discovery with AI. Finding the right niche can make or break your business. AI can help you discover hidden gems that you might have missed. Use tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush to uncover keywords with high search volume and low competition. These tools use AI to analyze search engine data and identify profitable niches. By targeting these niches, you can tap into a goldmine of potential customers. Know your customer, gathering valuable data. Personalization is key to creating a memorable shopping experience. But first, you need to know your customers. Collect data on their browsing behavior, purchase history, and preferences. Tools like Segment and Klaviyo can help you gather and organize this valuable information. The more you know about your customers, the better you can personalize their experience. Building the perfect matchmaker AI recommendation models. AI recommendation engines are like expert matchmakers. They analyze customer data to suggest products they'll love. These recommendations can appear on your website, in emails, and even through chatbots. Platforms like Amazon, Personalize, and Google Recommendations AI use sophisticated algorithms to create these personalized suggestions. By offering the right products at the right time, you can increase sales and customer satisfaction. Your AI assistant, the rise of chatbots. Chatbots are revolutionizing customer service. These AI-powered assistants can answer questions, provide product recommendations, and even process orders. They're available 24/7 to help your customers. Platforms like Tidio and Drift allow you to create and customize your own chatbots. You can train them to answer frequently asked questions and provide a seamless shopping experience. A/B testing, the secret to optimization. The world of AI is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. That's why A/B testing is crucial. Test different AI-powered recommendations and chatbot scripts to see what resonates with your audience. Tools like Hotjar can help you track customer interactions and see what's working. By constantly testing and optimizing, you can ensure that your AI is always performing at its best. Your AI Toolkit, top tools for e-commerce success. In today's fast-paced digital world, leveraging the right AI tools can make or break your e-commerce business. With so many options available, it's crucial to know which tools can truly elevate your operations and drive success. The right tools can help you streamline processes, enhance customer experiences, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Choosing the right AI tools can be overwhelming. The market is flooded with countless options, each promising to be the ultimate solution for your needs. But how do you sift through the noise and find the gems that will actually benefit your business? It's essential to have a clear understanding of your business goals and the specific challenges you face. This will help you identify the tools that can provide the most value. Here's a quick breakdown of some of the top contenders. Let's start with product research. Understanding market trends and consumer behavior is essential for making informed decisions. By leveraging AI tools for product research, you can gain insights into what products are in demand, what your competitors are doing, and how you can differentiate your offerings. Google Trends. This tool allows you to see what's hot and what's not. By analyzing search data, you can identify trending products and tailor your offerings accordingly. Google Trends provides a wealth of information that can help you stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging trends before your competitors do. Jungle Scout and Helium 10. These are Amazon-specific product research powerhouses. They provide in-depth insights into product performance, competition, and market demand, helping you to make data-driven decisions. With features like keyword research, sales estimates, and competitor analysis, these tools can give you a significant edge in the highly competitive Amazon marketplace. Ahrefs and SEMrush. These tools are invaluable for uncovering hidden niches and profitable keywords. They offer comprehensive SEO and market analysis, enabling you to optimize your content and reach your target audience effectively. By understanding what keywords your potential customers are searching for, you can create content that attracts more traffic and drives more sales. Personalized recommendations are another crucial aspect of e-commerce success. Amazon. Personalize and Google Recommendations, AI. These ready-to-use recommendation engines can significantly enhance the shopping experience by providing personalized product suggestions based on user behavior and preferences. By offering tailored recommendations, you can increase customer satisfaction, boost sales, and foster customer loyalty. Klaviyo. This tool excels in email and SMS marketing personalization. By leveraging customer data, Klaviyo allows you to create targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive conversions. With features like segmentation, automation, and detailed analytics, Klaviyo can help you build stronger relationships with your customers and increase your marketing ROI. TDO and ChatGPT API. Build your own AI-powered chatbot with these tools. They enable you to provide instant customer support and engage with your audience in real time, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Chatbots can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering common questions to processing orders, freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. General AI platforms also play a vital role in e-commerce. Shopify apps. The Shopify App Store is a treasure trove of AI tools designed to optimize various aspects of your store. From inventory management to customer service, these apps can streamline your operations and boost efficiency. By integrating AI apps into your Shopify store, you can automate routine tasks, improve accuracy, and save time. Zoho AI and CRM. Manage your customer relationships and personalize experiences with Zoho's suite of AI tools. They offer robust solutions for automating tasks, analyzing customer data, and improving overall engagement. With Zoho, you can gain a deeper understanding of your customers, anticipate their needs, and deliver personalized experiences that drive loyalty and growth. Zapier. Connect your AI tools and automate your workflows with Zapier. This platform allows you to integrate various applications, creating seamless processes that save time and reduce manual effort. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on more strategic activities and drive greater efficiency across your organization. Remember, the best tools for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. It's important to evaluate each tool's features, pricing, and compatibility with your existing systems. Take the time to test different tools and see how they fit into your workflow. Don't be afraid to invest in tools that can provide a significant return on investment. Do your research and choose wisely. Investing in the right AI tools can transform your e-commerce business, driving growth and ensuring long-term success. Take the time to explore your options and make informed decisions that align with your goals. By leveraging the power of AI, you can stay ahead of the competition, deliver exceptional customer experiences, and achieve your business objectives. Embracing the future AI for a competitive edge. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the competition is more crucial than ever. Businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to enhance their operations and deliver exceptional value to their customers. One of the most transformative technologies driving this change is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that is reshaping industries across the globe. From healthcare to finance and from retail to manufacturing, AI is making its mark everywhere. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of e-commerce. From personalized shopping experiences to efficient inventory management, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Imagine a world where your online store can predict what your customers want before they even know it themselves. This is the power of AI. It can analyze browsing patterns, purchase history, and even social media activity to offer products that are most likely to appeal to each individual customer. This level of personalization was unimaginable a few years ago, but today, it's becoming the norm. By embracing AI, you can gain a significant competitive edge. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. These insights can help you make informed decisions, optimize your marketing strategies, and ultimately drive more sales. For instance, AI can help you identify which marketing channels are delivering the best return on investment, allowing you to allocate your budget more effectively. It can also help you understand customer behavior, enabling you to tailor your offerings to meet their needs better. You can find the best products, personalize the shopping experience, and predict trends with remarkable accuracy. AI-driven product recommendations can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to repeat business and higher revenue. Moreover, AI can help you manage your inventory more efficiently by predicting demand for different products. This means you can reduce the risk of overstocking or understocking, which can have a significant impact on your bottom line, and provide exceptional customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries 24/7, ensuring that your customers always receive timely and accurate responses. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously, providing instant responses and resolving issues without any human intervention. This level of efficiency can significantly enhance your customer service operations, but it's not enough to just implement AI. To truly harness its potential, you need a well-thought-out strategy. This involves understanding your business needs, selecting the right AI tools, and continuously monitoring and refining your AI systems. It's essential to have a clear roadmap that outlines your AI goals and how you plan to achieve them. This includes setting measurable objectives, identifying key performance indicators, and regularly reviewing your progress to ensure you're on track. You need to stay ahead of the curve. The AI landscape is rapidly evolving, and what works today might not be as effective tomorrow. Staying ahead means being proactive, continuously learning and adapting to new developments. This requires a commitment to ongoing education and training for your team. By keeping up with the latest trends and advancements in AI, you can ensure that your business remains competitive and continues to benefit from the latest innovations. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new tools and techniques emerging all the time. Keeping up with these changes can be challenging, but it's essential for maintaining your competitive edge. This means investing in research and development, attending industry conferences, and networking with other professionals in the field. By staying informed about the latest advancements, you can identify new opportunities to leverage AI in your business. With new tools and techniques emerging all the time, make it a priority to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI. Attend conferences, read industry publications, and network with other professionals in the field. By doing so, you can gain valuable insights and learn from the experiences of others. This can help you avoid common pitfalls and make more informed decisions about your AI strategy. Make it a priority to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI. Attend conferences, read industry publications, and experiment with new tools. The more you immerse yourself in the AI community, the more you'll learn and grow. This continuous learning process is crucial for staying ahead of the competition and ensuring that your business remains at the forefront of AI innovation. And experiment with new tools. Experimentation is key to discovering what works best for your business. Don't be afraid to try new approaches and learn from your experiences. This iterative process can help you refine your AI strategy and identify the most effective ways to leverage AI in your operations. By being open to experimentation, you can uncover new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. The more you learn about AI, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in the ever-changing world of e-commerce. Continuous learning and development are crucial for staying competitive. This means investing in training and development programs for your team, encouraging a culture of innovation, and staying up to date with the latest industry trends. By fostering a learning environment, you can ensure that your business remains agile and responsive to changes in the AI landscape. The better equipped you'll be to succeed in the ever-changing world of e-commerce. By leveraging AI, you can transform your business, delight your customers, and achieve long-term success in the digital age. The potential of AI is vast, and those who embrace it will be well-positioned to thrive in the future. So, take the leap, invest in AI, and watch your business soar to new heights.